past year papers, as I was mentioning in the context of my previous year question book, which is now out in the market, past year papers में तुमको उसको split करना पड़ेगा. CAT के papers से जो बात कर रहे हो, तो CAT का papers are 99 to 2008. These are available. 2009 to 16, they are not available. If a book claims to do it, you can I mean, some people still believe it, but I can tell you from a fact, if you can catch hold of the author, ask them this question: ये 2009 का पेपर तुमने उसकी ये क्वेश्चन डाला तो कौन सा स्लॉट है? Which slot is it? Right? और किस दिन का स्लॉट है? 20 days का पेपर था, day 13 का सेकंड स्लॉट है, फर्स्ट स्लॉट है, वो भी पूछ लेना उससे कौन सा क्वेश्चन था. Right? And as I said, people just using the legal loophole of writing in the book memory based. So the moment I write memory based, you can't question my memory in the court of law. मेरे को तो ये याद था भैया, मैंने जो याद था मैंने लिख दिया, तुमने यूज किया. I put that disclaimer that everything is memory based. So please remember 9 to 16 का papers नहीं possible है. मतलब people have even given RC का questions in 9 to 16. कैसे हो सकता है? RC का question कैसे memory based में बना सकता है? So just don't waste your time with those questions. They're just a random practice set. तुमको अगर करना है अपने psychological satisfaction कर लो, but nobody has those papers with them. So 99 to 2008 papers you should use chapter wise mostly, and 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 को तुमको these should be part of your mock series. These should be part of a mock series. So two papers of 17, two papers of 18, two papers of 19, three papers of 20, and three papers of 21. These 12 papers should be part of a mock series. So ये जो 40 mocks मैंने बोला था, उस 40 में this can be included. Or if you want to be safeguarding yourself further, you can do 40 plus this. Right? These questions you should not use for your practice, because when you take them as mocks, it is also giving you an experience of what your current state of preparation is throwing up in terms of your score if you take an actual category. So यहाँ पे फिर एक दूसरा कॉम्प्लिकेशन आ रहा है अभी कि कैट 2 घंटे का हो गया. This is a 2-hour paper, and this year also it's a 2-hour paper. So these papers are relevant both from the kind of questions they've asked, also from the difficulty level and the timeline, the time they give you. But when you look at these mocks are 300 marks mocks, and they are 3 hours. So how should you solve these? 2 घंटे में करना चाहिए, क्या करना चाहिए? तो my answer to that to people is कि इनमें एक standard pattern था. Verbal was 32 questions, 34 questions. Verbal was 34 questions. Quants was 34 questions. And DILR was 32 questions. 8 sets. So it's very easy to break down your quants. What you do is you take it as a 1 hour, take these as 3 hour papers. But when you analyze your score, you keep a track of at the 40-minute point in every section how much had you reached. So what you do is you solve the paper as 40 minutes plus 20 minutes. Each section you solve as 40 minutes plus 20 minutes. A quants में first 40 minutes में do up to question 22. Last 20 minutes में do the last 12 questions. So तुम जब स्कोर निकालोगे, तुमको फर्स्ट 22 क्वेश्चन में कितना स्कोर है वो तुमको कैट का करंट स्कोर दे देगा. और 34 मार्क्स पे जो स्कोर तुमको आ रहा है, 34 क्वेश्चन में स्कोर आ रहा है 1 आवर में, उससे वी कैन आल्सो प्रेडिक्ट कि 3 आवर कैट में उस टाइम लोगों को कितना आता था स्कोर पे. तो यू कैन वर्क आउट. 100 मार्क्स पे 2 आवर कैट में 99 परसेंटाइल आ रहा है ब्रॉडली, तो 150 मार्क्स पे 3 आवर कैट में 99 परसेंटाइल आएगा. That was the basic logic. So are you getting there? Are you crossing 150 easily in 3 hour paper? You can measure that, and also you can see in a 2 hour paper are you crossing 100 or not. So just keep track of which questions you solved in the first 40 minutes in every section. Verbal में थोड़ा सा different होगा. Verbal में तुमको जब तुम solve करोगे तो verbal में उस टाइम जो पैटर्न था was 24 questions of RC and 10 questions of verbal. 24 questions of RC होते थे, 10 questions of verbal होते थे. इसको जब सॉल्व करोगे तो इसको तुम 16 plus 6 plus 8 पे break कर देना for the first 40 minutes, and the next 20 minutes you do the other 8 questions of RC and the other 2 questions of verbal, and you finish the paper. So you will get a 40-minute score also of the section, and you will also get a 60-minute score. And DILR में you current pattern is 4 sets and 4-6 questions. तो यहाँ पे तुम इसको first 5 sets पे 40 minutes बिताना, last 3 sets पे 20 minutes पे कर देना. Right, so just do that. On the Mindworks website, we're going to release these tests as 3-hour tests only. You will have to solve it this way in that context. Okay, I don't believe in breaking that paper because the pura experience jo CAT ka hai, it's important for you to take. Okay, but when you want to measure the 2-hour paper, you can actually measure in DILR what did I do in the first 5 questions, the first 5 sets. That's your 40 minutes score.